Busy this morning, tracking potentially a little bit of snow for the Friday forecast.
Yeah, so it's not necessarily the amount of snow, but the timing of it that could coincide with early morning commuters tomorrow and make for maybe the first commute of the season where you're going to be dealing with some wintry weather. I think much of it, not all of it, will melt as it hits the pavement, but we'll talk about how much will fall coming up this morning. Those roadways are dry. The temperature's cooler this morning, and we're only going to climb up about 10 to 15 degrees from this morning's temperatures. 37 right now in Providence, about 38 degrees in Newport. This is the beginning here of a pattern change, a stretch of colder than normal weather through next week, at least, with early snow tomorrow morning. Again, the amounts looking fairly light. It's going to have a tough time sticking, especially on the roadways, but the pre-dawn hours during the commute could be a little bit messy in spots. Monday, we're watching another storm system. This one looks like it'll bring mostly rain. That rainfall, though, could be heavy at times. We'll get to those details as well. The view this morning over dry roadways, good visibility, none of that fog. You can feel the difference in the air as you step out. It's not only cooler, but it's drier. The humidity is going to be fairly low through the day today. Smithfield's at 38 degrees. It's 36 in Warwick. The temperatures in Seekonk have climbed back up to about 41, and we're reporting around 41 degrees for the temperatures in Tiverton as well. Radar's nice and quiet, not only across Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, but we're not tracking any rain or snow across Connecticut or western Massachusetts either. In fact, looking back to our west, other than some clouds that are making their way across Pennsylvania, New York, and northern New England, the weather is very quiet. You can see some snow downwind of the Great Lakes, that cold air pushing across. The storm system is going to develop off to our west and then strengthen as it moves well south and east along this front, south and east of Nantucket. Close enough to us, though, to overspread some rain initially, and then that changes over to snow as we head through the night tonight. So here's the morning commute. Dry, cool, and clear. We're dry and bright, sunny for much of the afternoon. Bit of an increase in the clouds as we head towards the evening hours, and notice those temperatures going from the 60s yesterday and Tuesday to a high near 50 for today, and that happens at about 1 o'clock. Here we go through the Futurecast here, and as we head into the afternoon again, we stay mostly sunny for much of the day. Here come the high clouds initially. Those clouds thicken and lower in the evening, and initially as we head towards the late night hours, the temperatures warm enough still above freezing to support initially this falling as some rainfall, and after midnight tonight some cold air is drawn in. So from northwest to southeast we make a changeover from rain to some snow, and this is 2 a.m. in the morning. That snow again coinciding at times with the morning commute, and this is backed off a little bit here, but potential is there. Some of our computer models showing a burst of moderate snowfall between say 4 and 7 a.m. and it's mostly away from the coastline. Have a tougher time seeing the snow, but even over the Cape and the islands could see a brief period of snow. Tomorrow early morning, by the afternoon, the sun is back out. In fact, after 9 o'clock, I expect to see sunshine across our area. So most of Friday is dry and sunny. We are talking about the potential for some small accumulations by tomorrow morning. Even at the coastline, could see as much as a coating of snow to perhaps an inch or two, and that's mainly on grassy surfaces and car tops. But if you get a heavier burst of snow tomorrow morning, could see a little bit of a coating on the roadways as well. We're going to be watching for maybe an isolated 3-inch total somewhere in southern New England. Best chance in our area would be north of Providence. 7-day Futurecast, weekends dry and cool, near 40 on Saturday, closer to the mid 40s on Sunday.